Hello, I'm Timothy Ribb, and in this video I'm showing you how to finish off the crossbow. If you haven't seen my previous video and you need to know how to make the cross piece, you should check out the video below. I'll link that in the description. Or if you're not feeling like you want to learn and you just want that pattern, that link's down there too. Just trying to help you guys out. You can download this and use it. Cut it out just like I've always shown you how to do it. Get it onto a piece of wood, and then it's either over to the drill press or over to the scroll saw. The answer is it really doesn't matter where you start. Personally, when I'm working in a lab with other people present, I go where the lines are not. So the first thing that I am gonna do is I'm gonna drill the 2 holes. Be sure that your drill bit matches the size of your dowels that you're gonna place in. Also, make sure your drill press is gonna hit a specific stopping point. Next is over to the scroll saw, where I'm gonna cut 2 arcs to make this thing just look a little bit prettier. So next, it's gonna be remove the paper pattern and do a little bit of sanding. And of course after that, it's a shot of glue in each hole. Don't overdo this, otherwise it squishes out. Then it's 3-inch dowel, 3-inch dowel. Persuade them into place. And then the next step is tack it into the main body. Right, so the final step is getting these 2 pieces to fit together, and what you're gonna do for that is you're gonna get glue on 3 different surfaces. 1, 2, and that 3rd one. And I strongly recommend that you use some sort of a wood type glue. All right, so we got surface 1, surface 2, and usually I will have stuff dribble onto surface number 3. So here I am spreading it around. Then, when you are placing your cross piece in, you just want to sight that in, make sure that it is centered. And you are going to take a nail gun and put 2 nails in to hold it in place. So then the last step is to put a rubber band around your clothespin. Get a different size rubber band around your cross piece. Links below are in the description. Pull that baby back, 2 fingers to cock it. Put a ball in and fire. Thank you so much for watching this series. If you've enjoyed this content and you haven't subscribed yet, please be sure to do that. Like it, thumbs up it,